Assalamu alaikum. This video is all about how to create like this CV easily in Microsoft Word. I will be showing you step by step so you can create it easily even if you are beginner. So first of all, you need to select A4 size. Then go to shapes and insert rectangle shape. Set the height 11.77 and width 2.48. Change color from shape fill. Again go to shape and insert this shape. Set height 0.88 and width 3.34. Let's adjust it little bit. Now go here and select flip horizontal. Change color and place it here. Now go to insert and insert your picture. Bring it to front. Go to crop and select round shape crop. Just crop and place it here. Now go to icons, select phone icon and insert here. Bring it to front. Change color and adjust the size. Now insert here a text box. Remove fill color and outline. Type here your contact number. Now just select both text box and icon. Hold Ctrl and drag it down to make another copy. Right click on icon. Go to change graphics. Select from icons and choose email icon by searching it. Same as it is, copy text box and icon again. Change icon for location and write your address. Now copy this text box and write skill highlights. Copy text box again and add your skills here. I will simply copy paste here to show you. Now make copy of skill highlights and mention language. Add languages and your proficiency. Same as it is, add hobbies and list down all your hobbies. Instead of hobbies you can add anything else as well, it is totally up to you. So this section has completed. Now let's move to another section. Copy this text box. Change color, write your name and increase size to 26. Make another copy of text box. Type summary and decrease the text size to 16. Copy here a text box and write summary. Now insert rectangle shape here. Set height 0.41 and width 2.33. Remove outline and change shape color. Right click, select edit points and move this point to left side. Now make another copy of same shape, move it to right side. Change color and send this shape to back. Just move little bit more to right side. Right click, add text and type here experience. Now copy the summary text box and drag it down. Include here your work experience. Now we need to add education. Just copy these shapes and drag it down. Replace experience with education. Copy text box and add your educational details here. So here we are done. This is how you can make a professional CV in Microsoft Word. I hope you like this video. If you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.